di ba sinabi ko sa'yo, sana meron akong friend na artista. Yan. Tsaka dati, dun sa parang...
Did you enjoy your camp?
Yeah.
Chloe, look at Chloe.
Yes, there's no sun.
Chloe, you like it?
Oh, finally, the sun's covered with big clouds.
Where? Oh, yeah. Yay! Thank you,
See,
Lord.
sunglasses. Oh, it's getting hot. Ayun yung kite nyo. Tingnan mo kite nyo taas.
Yeah.
Medyo marunong ako mag-fly ng kite. Dati, naka-fly ako ng kite. Medyo mataas.
Really?
Oo. Kailangan pag
Where's your
mahuhulog,
kite?
pag mahuhulog, kailangan mo lang i-pull. Pull.
Okay. You pick some flowers? Huh?
Meron din kapatid si Kaj. Totoong pangalan niya Calvin. Kaj lang nito. Meron din siya kaya yung
Chloe!
kaya yung niya.
Not too far! Not too far!
Kaya yung niya, yung buhos niya katulad sa akin, balusot. Kasi babae din yung sister niya eh.
Ah, talaga?
Oo, parehas
Wow.
kami.
Did you tell him?
Yeah.
Smile!
Oh, look at the cloud. It looks like a kangaroo.
I picked the flowers, Mom.
Yeah,
It looks
really?
like a kangaroo.
Wait.
Chloe, look up.
Where? Kangaroo?
It looks like a kangaroo.
Yeah.